video I will show you how I create thumbnails by scratch, what clients send me, how I proceed all this stuff, what things I need to make a thumbnail. So just showing you this thumbnail I make for my client. One is this and second is this. So in this video we will design this thumbnail and I will show you how I made this, all the sauce you need to make a good podcast thumbnail, you can say that. So first of all, this is Tamir. If you are a real estate agent in Dubai, you know him. So he just gave me two things, the project file and the title. That's it. I only need two things for you. That's why clients love to work with me, and my response time and my turnaround time is crazy. I'm not blowing up myself, I'm just telling you the truth. Okay, so first of all, when you can see that I just took a screenshot and enhance it. Where is it? Yeah, this is, you can see that this is the raw pic. I just take a screenshot and that's it. So first of all, the video title is how I got 10 million views, something like that. Okay, and what we do, just zoom in little bit, something like, not too much. Okay, and for the background we have to remove this because it looks so cluttered. As you can see, AI did really good job. I think that would be great. So just go to camera filter and just make some adjustments so it's look pop, just touching some contrast, highlights, shadows, whiteness and blacks. Yeah, but as you can see, there is a pimple in my client face. We have to remove that. So just I use the healing brush tool and just click it. As you can see, it's gone. Alright, so for the text I'm using the 10 million views blueprint. Okay, and he has a personal brand, so his personal brand color is green, so we have to add a rectangle green, so it's just represent his brand, like that. Alright, so we just select a subject, so the text would be behind the subject. Alright, you know what I'm saying, and that's it. As you can see, the thumbnail is ready. So yeah, if you need any help, just DM me on WhatsApp because my Instagram DMs are cooked. I don't know why people can't DM me directly on Instagram. So that's it. If you need any help,